Question 47 is, do renewable technologies like heat pumps work with so-called agile or variable electricity tariffs? So for those of you who don't know what agile tariffs are, most of us buy our electricity at pretty much a fixed price. I pay 33 pence per kilowatt hour of electricity all day, every day. However, I can go and get a tariff which is linked to the wholesale electricity price, a so-called agile tariff. So you expose yourself to the market. The benefits of doing this is when electricity is cheap, you can buy your electricity very, very cheaply indeed. And in some cases, it can be almost free to buy your electricity at some points. However, the flip side of that is when electricity is very, very expensive, typically at points in the evening when people are cooking and turning the lights on and so on, you could expose yourselves to prices of upwards of 50 or £1 per kilowatt hour. So you get a little bit of rough, but a little bit of smooth. Some people really like this. So can you run a heat pump on this tariff? Of course you can. Electricity is electricity. But one of the things you have to do if you're looking at these very, very variable tariffs is look at your consumption of your heat and try and tailor it to the price. So one of the things that people who use agile tariffs tend to do is run the heating during the day when electricity is very cheap, run it at night when it's very cheap, and have a couple of hours of off period when the peak prices happen mid-evening time. Of course, if you have a battery, you can smooth this all out and be really, really clever. And so batteries and agile tariffs work really, really well with heat pumps. But of course, all of them work beautifully together.